let's move on to the marketing department. They've got some sales activity going on, not sale, launch activity going on. And for example, they're launching a new e-bike called the Thunderbolt. Yep. And the marketing exec has been given this detailed technical product specification by certain subject matter experts in the organization here. And they're refining it. The marketing exec is refining it to make it become a launch document. So, for example, the introduction there, I'm looking at that as a marketing exec saying, I'd like to rewrite that. So you can see pop up there on the left-hand side there, the Copilot logo. I'll click on that. Now it's giving me the option of rewriting and visualizing a table. I'm going to rewrite that because it's not quite what I want. And that's what it's doing. So the last example, we create the job post from scratch. Now in the marketing department, we're using it to refine content. It's finishing up. Fantastic. Bum, bum, bum. It's Friday. It's taking its time. It's hesitating. Oh, I hate it when it does that. Never do a live demo. That's what my mum always said. I love broadband. Don't you hate it when it just does that? It freezes. Oh, let's try it again. Here we go. Let's come up with an example. Okay, let's try it again. I was having trouble with my broadband earlier on today. Here we go. It's had second thoughts before I have a stern word with it. So there's the words it's come up with as an alternative. Now, I can simply replace what's... oh my God. I'm sure it's just my broadband. Right. So I can replace the text. I can insert it below and compare those texts. I can regenerate if I'm not happy with what Copilot's come up with. And finally, something else I could do is look at changing the tone it's using to professional and ask it to regenerate that. Excuse me for it's obviously there's something wrong. I assume it's my broadband. Anyway, you get the gist of that. Right. Hopefully it's not going to cause you any more problems, but you get the gist of how I can use Copilot, refine text and change the tone, etc., etc. Now, we've also got Copilot in the ribbon up there. I'm going to click on that. Now, if I want to interact with that document, let's say we're going to be doing a launch of this and I need to do some social media posts. So I want Copilot to come up with a number of LinkedIn posts for me with hashtags. Here we go. Here's the prompt I've given to Copilot. Generate 5 LinkedIn posts with hashtags for this document. So it's reviewing the document, it's working on it, got its creative hat on, pulling things together. It's coming up with 5 prompts I could use. Not 5 social media posts I could use. Here we go. Here's 2 of them. Here's 4 of them. And there's the 5th. Let's just have a look at these. Yeah. So number 1 is introducing the Thunderbolt e-bike, a powerful, versatile, and stylish electric bike that sets a new standard in eco-friendly transportation. Hashtag e-bike, hashtag. Next one is experience the thrill of speed with the Thunderbolt e-bike, reach up to 30 miles an hour, 60 miles on a single charge. Fantastic, exactly what I want. And what I can do is copy those 5 posts into my social media scheduling tool, bang, off I go. This saves the marketing person, this example, so much time and effort. Now let's step it up a little bit. What I want to do, or what the marketing exec needs to create off the back of this product spec, because you won't want to send this detailed product specification to all the people that purchase the bike. All they want to know is, give me the headline, sell the bike to me, and give me some maintenance information and support. How do I set the bike up? Yeah, there's too much information in that document. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that product spec document, and I'm going to get Copilot to create a new document off the back of this document. Let's show you what I mean by that. I'm not being particularly eloquent with that. Here we go. Here's the prompt. Create a user guide for customers that will be included with a purchase of the e-bike. Reference, and what I'm saying there is reference the product specification document. Now I can either go / and it gives me a list of documents, or I could hit the reference button there. I'll just hit the /. It's a Thunderbolt specification document. I'm focused on the product overview section. There's that. Yeah, product overview section. Okay. Pull content out of that for the user manual. Yeah. And also include maintenance support information that the customer can use to set up and take care of the new e-bike. Fantastic. That's the prompt. Let's hit generate. Combing through the reference document I've given it. Here we go. Let's see if it gets the tone right, because the previous document was a product spec. This is a user manual, so it's aimed at users. So let's head to there. Comprehensive guide to help you enjoy your new e-bike. Fantastic. So it's got the tone right, yeah? Welcome to the Thunderbolt e-bike user guide. This guide will help you get started with your new e-bike. Loving this, yeah? Perfect content and the tone exactly wanted. So product overview, yeah? The Thunderbolt is an exceptional e-bike designed to provide an exhilarating and eco-friendly riding experience. Just some stats there, just pulled. We talked about the range, yeah, what the battery is on the bicycle, 750 watt things. Right. And then it's coming up with a table, nice little table there to summarize. This is looking really good. Loving it. And can you imagine the marketing exec having to put that user manual together themselves in their own time, staring at that blank screen? Forget about it. Use Copilot to do that heavy lifting for you. It's still chunking along. Talking about the weight of it, 50 pounds. Range is 60 miles, maximum speed is 30 miles. I can shift, that's fantastic. Hydraulic brakes, there's Shimano's, decent, what the cost of it is. Getting started, yeah? How to assemble it. Exactly what I would want is to know, how do I assemble this thing? I'm excited by it. I bought this bike. Okay, what you get in the package, get front wheel, handlebar, blah, blah, blah. Tools you'll need, yeah? And then the assembly process. Wow, yeah? I'm going to stop it there. Yeah, but you get the gist. Copilot is knocking it out of the park in terms of creating that user manual for you. Final thing I want to share with you. This is going to really up the ante in terms of the prompts that we use. Let's create a new document. Fine. Now, this is a live prompt that I used yesterday or the day before for another client I work with. And this is the kind of prompts I create when I'm working with ChatGPT. Now, don't get put off by it, but there's a lot of text in here, yeah? Let me give you some context to it. ITAM Forum, we're launching a new calendar of events for FY24, yeah? And we want to do an e-shot to all our partners to get them to come on board and sign up to take part in our webinars and in-person events, etc., etc. So what's the prompt look like? So I'm telling the prompt as a marketing strategist. So I'm telling Copilot, yeah, that it is a marketing strategist. You're an expert in developing compelling service offerings that our partners want. These service offerings are very important because this is what we sell to our partners. Our partners are our only revenue stream. Right, fantastic. Type of business that we are. So the ITAM Forum specializes in blah, 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 who we are, yeah. More about who we are. So lots of context information. Yeah, a little bit, I'm repeating myself here with our revenues come solely from our partners. And we sell access to our end user audience. Here we come. So this is what I'm asking for. Using this information, I need you to write a launch email of our calendar events to partners can buy into for 2024. Yeah. And the quarterly themes across that year are software management, sustainability, and the cloud. Okay, less of the talking. Let's hit the generate button. Generate. Pulling things together, getting to understand it. So I've asked it just for an e-shot. Yeah, just an e-shot. But the purpose of showing you this is the more information you build into the prompt, the more accurate the output is that you're going to get. So here we go. So this is the proposed email. It's put together for us. ITAM Forum 2024. The world of ITAM is changing. Be part of the movement. Absolutely, yeah, loving it. A message from the ITAM Forum marketing strategist. I might jump that line, but anyway, dear partner, as you know, the ITAM Forum is the leading independent blah, blah, blah. We're excited to announce our calendar of events for 2024, which will feature 3 quarterly themes, and they are software management, how to optimize, sustainability, and cloud and FinOps. Each theme will include a series of events such as webinars, podcasts. I love this. That's exactly, yes, I'm going to edit it. Yes, I'm going to send it out to my colleagues to help tweak it some more. But fundamentally, yeah, I've got a rockstar e-shot I can send out. I want to keep that. Now, I could regenerate it. I could tweak it some more by putting some more information in there. Yeah. Or I could keep it. I'm going to keep that, save it, send it off to my colleagues to edit. The beauty of that one is I just want to show how complex, how sophisticated you can get with the prompts, which is super important. Yeah. Because the better and more specific you are with the prompt, the better the quality of output you're going to get.